Alright, so pretty simple. I got a bunch of paper clips here, and I got an electromagnet. Now, an electromagnet is quite simple. It's really just some copper wire that's been wound around a nail, and it makes this wonderful spiral shape. And because we've got so much wire in such a small space, this actually creates an electromagnetic effect. So when I put the battery on here, it picks up a bunch of paper clips. So basically I turned this into a magnet. And because it has an iron nail here, or a steel nail, that actually makes it a really good magnet, and that magnetizes the nail a little bit. So actually the nail is now still a magnet even though I didn't connect the battery. So that's pretty cool. But let's see different ways that we can use that. Over here I've got an electric motor. So let's attach that to the battery, and that's spinning right now. Take my scissors, and let's put a piece of tape on this. Oop. Sweet. Pretty cool, I would say. So when I put electricity, this spins. So what's the deal? So here I've got a motor. I broke it open, and inside, very similar, we have also an electromagnet. But the thing is, in here we've got some regular magnets. All right, so we have permanent magnets on the outside and an electromagnet on the inside. Now, when one magnetic field moves near another magnetic field, we get a really cool thing: electricity. Here we got this thing. This is basically another electric motor like this one, but it's been geared up so that I can crank it really quickly. And at the end, we've got these alligator clips. So I can take these alligator clips and I could, for example, connect it to this light. When I crank this, it lights up. Pretty cool. So when I put electricity in to an electromagnet that's surrounded by some regular magnets, it spins, and when I spin the motor, it produces electricity. So I put electricity into it, it spins. I spin it, it makes electricity. Pretty cool. Let's clean this up. And let's get to making the simplest electric motor of all time.